Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I mentioned that Bitcoin might consolidate around 106,400. That's what happened so far. Price action attempted another breakout today, peaking at 106,800, before pulling back to rest just above the dotted support at 105,700. If this support holds and we bounce, the next logical move is the re-entry into the familiar channel from 106,500 up to 109,300. This range was already mapped out in the last video, and the heat map today gives strong confirmation of its relevance. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can spot a hot pocket stretching from 106,700 all the way to 109,600. Zooming into the 1-day map, we find two distinct areas of liquidity, one above us between 106,700 and 107,200, and one below between 104,500 and 104,800. Could we see a wick down first before heading higher? That's possible. In fact, recent patterns suggest that Bitcoin often clears both long and short liquidity before resuming the broader trend. So while a dip might look painful, it could just be another setup for a stronger move up. Meanwhile, ETF inflows tell us the big players are back to buying in silence. Michael Saylor reportedly stacked more over the weekend. And just today, on the 3rd of June, total inflows already showed 317.1 million, without including BlackRock, who usually adds another 100 million or more. I still have open positions and I'm leaning bullish. If Bitcoin breaks 106,400 with conviction, I plan to scale further into my trades. This level is a key trigger for continuation toward our upper targets. That's it for today's update. I'll keep tracking this move and post daily breakdowns. Check the pinned comment below for bonuses and Discord invites. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if this video added value. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next update. And see you in the next one.